Hey y'all, this is Tasha. I am back with another video. Thank you so much for stopping in. I'm going to apologize ahead of time for not only the mini dance concert you'll be seeing as you're watching part of this video, but also for the blur that you see in the right side or right corner of the video. Did not realize that something was on my camera lens until after I was getting ready to edit the video, but wanted to still post it because I do recognize and clear it up getting closer towards the end of the video. So I hope you still enjoy. This is a video on my very first wash with my new micro locks. This was a week into my journey and my scalp was like, all right, girl, it's time to shampoo. So here I am braiding and banding my hair as I was told to do by the many YouTube videos that I have watched. And so I don't get copyrighted, I'm going to give you a little dance concert, but we going to speed it up just a little bit because Manny Fresh was killing it on IG Live. All right, so here I am just continuing to braid and band the hair, basically just making a very loose plait with the hair and then putting a tie on the end. Doesn't matter what kind of tie you're using. I'm just using colorful ones so I can tell the difference when it's time to take them out. And here are all the sections all done. I had 8 total, 2 in the back, 1 in the middle, and 3 in the front. And 1 little orphan child that didn't want to participate. Oh well. Now I'm going to shampoo my hair. I'm just going to use my spray bottle with water to spray it down so I can have a little bit more control than just jumping in the shower for the first time getting these done. So sprayed my entire head to get it pretty wet and then really controlled putting the shampoo in section by section and massaging my scalp as I went through with that process. And basically just kept going with that until I felt like my scalp was clean and then jumped in the shower. All right, y'all, I'm back. I'm done jamming. Woo! At least this social distancing thing, you know, it has allowed all the DJs to come out and play, and I've been having a good old time on the weekends. Okay? But anyway, I am out the shower. Shampoo is all rinsed out, and these are my black towels that I bought from Amazon. When I mentioned it on my, I guess, mini lock debut video that showed what I was doing to my hair, I mentioned that I ordered some black cotton like towels off of Amazon because I've been watching a bunch of locks and micro lock videos, and a lot of people mention having a black towel to dry your hair with to avoid different colored lint in your hair. So I got these. They're actually really, really nice. It's like, I guess it's a terry cloth material. I don't know. It's really soft, but ordered them from Amazon. They came 3 in a pack. So this is the one that I used when I first got out of the shower. It's pretty wet, so that's why I just took that one off and put another one on to try to absorb most of the water that I could after hopping out. That shampoo, that is a clarifying shampoo. It got my hair pretty clean. Like I can feel that it's pretty clean. Definitely my roots are super frizzy now, so I don't know if I'm gonna try to do some interlocking maybe in the next few days or not, because I'm not down with the fuzzy root situation. Even though I ain't going nowhere, I don't want my hair to look crazy, so I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm not gonna make a decision right now just because I don't know. So of course, you guys saw me braid and band my hair because, of course, I read that's what I'm supposed to do. So what I'm going to do now, because it's a bit late and I really don't have, well, yeah, I don't have time for it to air dry and I really don't feel like sitting under the dryer. I'm just going to use my handheld dryer and dry it up a bit. And then before it's all the way dry, I'm going to take these bands down so that I can separate to make sure none of the locks have married together throughout this whole wash process. Then I probably just twist down and go to bed. So let's get to blow drying and I'll be right back. Alright, my roots feel mostly dry, so I'm going to go ahead and take it down so that I can get most of the other hair. And this little one that was right here, of course it came out. I knew it was going to come out. Oh well, we'll just twist it back up. Ooh, just by taking these braids out, I want to do a braid out. This is cute. And my hair looks, after washing it now, it looks much fuller now that it's gotten some water and it's been able to swell a bit. And I definitely prefer this look, which I know they will thicken up over time as they mature and bud. So this is really the look that I'm going for, is this and a little bit bigger. So I'm excited. This is cute, y'all. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is going to go in with a little bit of the Talia Waji. This is a leave-in conditioner. Not going to put a lot, but I do want to keep them soft and moisturized. Sorry y'all, battery died. Forgot to charge the battery, so I had to switch them out real quick. But like I was saying, as I was about to say, I was going to go ahead and try to interlock one of them to see what controlling the roots would look like. So I went ahead and did this one off camera since it shut off, and definitely looks much better than these puffy roots. But again, I'm not doing it tonight, but looks good. So when I'm able to get to it, these roots will be better. And I think once I can get through the first retightening, that will definitely help as the wash days continue. I'll do another one on camera. This is my little tool I got from Amazon, and I'm gonna probably do, I think I'm gonna stick with a 3-point rotation on my locks. So I'm just going to do this one really quick while my hair is still wet. This tool is very similar to the one I use for my daughter's locks. It's just much smaller. So again, I think once I can get through the first retightening, I can stop with having oops, got some wanting to join together already. There we go. I better be smart and clip it if I'm gonna do it. Oh shoot, I forgot the rotation I was on. I think it was at 9. Yeah, so basically more of the story, I think I'm going to have to make time to do this to my hair sooner rather than later, just because now that I've done the first shampoo, I'm going to have to keep them together because I'm probably going to be shampooing every week because that's what my hair is used to. So that's why I shampooed today, because my scalp was definitely getting itchy, because as a loose natural, I was used to shampooing once a week, so my hair is not quite ready for an adjustment of longer than that quite yet. So I think I'm gonna have to just do it, even though I wasn't hoping to do a session this soon, but it is what it is, shouting. Okay, I don't want to do it too tight, so I think that's gonna be my last rotation. So you can see it looks much better once I'm able to get it in there and get them nice and neat. But oh well, it'll wait for another day. Today I'm worried about just getting it dry so I can go to bed. So I'm going to get back out my blow dryer and get back to blow drying these roots in this hair. Alright, I think that's good enough. It's not 100% dry, but it's like 90%. It is basically all dry. I want to leave it just a teeny bit damp so that I'm going to go ahead and I've pretty much just been rocking 2 flat twists going to the back most days and just honestly leaving that in unless I go somewhere, which they can definitely go out. They look fine in the 2-strand twist wearing them out. But just to give my hair a break and just so it does not get used to kind of that little bit of a part that I was doing with wearing it in the 2-strand and the 2 flat twists every day. So, but I'm going to go ahead and twist it up for tonight so I can have some definition for tomorrow, even though this looks really cute. This mimics almost a wash and go in my loose natural hair, and I'm actually really liking the shrinkage that I got from the wash. But I'm going to go ahead and 2-strand twist it up. Slap my cap on. I've ordered a couple of these that were buy one get one free by this brand, and they're caps that you can wear. It's sort of like a bonnet, but it keeps your hair a little bit more restricted, and then it's also like a cap where you can wear it out in public actually, and it looks decent. So say for instance I wanted to, you know, rock this style maybe out a little bit, I can, you know, leave some out in the front and tuck the rest of my hair back in here if I wanted to, or leave some out in the back. You can, you know, you can jazz these up a little bit. Obviously, I'm not good at it, but watch some YouTube videos. You can jazz these up a bit. That looks cute wearing them out, but they're satin lined, so they keep your hair soft and moisturized to prevent the breakage that sometimes the other scarves may not be lined with that. So far so good. I've been liking them. So first wash day, I would say, was a success. This is the quickest wash day I've probably ever had. Since I only had the shampoo, did not use any conditioner, only used the spray leave-in and blow dried, and that was it, y'all. This is definitely different. But my hair feels really, really good. Scalp feels clean. And yeah, probably next video is going to be doing a bit of a retie, and we'll see how that goes. Please like, comment, and subscribe below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.